Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card on HMD Pulse Pro. So you have to have a SIM tray key, just like this one, and then insert your SIM tray into this hole. And then you have to pull out your SIM tray. And now you have to place your SIM card on your SIM tray and SD card. Now put back SIM tray into your device. And now your SIM card should work. And as you can see by network bars in the corner, my SIM card is now connected. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.